Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to select the units of measurement on the Zapmap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and New, go to the App Settings button in the Account section. Here, in the User Preferences section, you can find the first option, the preferred unit, and click to the arrow, and here you can select miles or kilometers, and just select one, for example the kilometers, and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.